Hi everyone, it's Rena from Fixed VIT, and today we're talking about our cyber breach resilience workshop and how it could save your business. First, let's start by explaining what a cyber breach resilience workshop is. Much like you prepare for fires with a fire drill or earthquakes with an earthquake drill, you can prepare for a cyber incident with a cyber breach resilience workshop. Cyber resiliency is an essential part of your company's disaster plan, focusing on how prepared you and your people are to respond and recover when cyber disaster strikes. Can you depend on your team to bounce back in the event of an email breach or ransomware? That's where a cyber disaster recovery workshop comes in. This exercise gives you the chance to learn through a simulated breach scenario. The process might feel similar to playing your favorite board game, but with more at stake. So how does it work? Your character in the workshop is a company that has fallen victim to a cyber breach. For instance, it could be a small CPA business that has had its email system compromised. The workshop host will explain the situation and what your options are. Much like real life, the choices aren't always black and white. As you participate in the workshop, there are consequences for each decision you make and surprises around every turn. Your goal is to adequately respond to the breach and successfully recover. You'll learn what steps you need to be taking now to mitigate your risk of an incident, what you should and shouldn't do in the event of a breach, and how to handle the unexpected reality that you're already a target. It's not a matter of if, it's a matter of when, but how you prepare now dictates the survival of your business. We highly recommend you take advantage of any opportunity to participate in a cyber breach resilience workshop. If you have any questions or want to learn more about these exercises, reach out to our team. Thanks for watching.